is Hotene, alofa, Ngaropo, Tuia. And I've been blessed with the opportunity today to speak to you about how scholars are a nation's treasure. It is often that we make mistakes. And the mistake that I am talking about today is the fact that we do not treasure our scholars like they deserve to be. It is as if we like to belittle the achievement of ourselves. But that will no longer be the case. For scholars are what we use to show our small country of Aotearoa to the world. It is how we become the people we know we are and show the entire globe what that truly is, because that is what nation's treasure should represent. We have many scholars. I don't just mean scholars of academia. I mean scholars of the mind, scholars of the spirit, and scholars of the voice. To be the scholar, you show perseverance, the willingness to keep striving when the going gets tough, the ability to be patient, and the tenacity to complete the task at hand. A scholar shows determination, visits the libraries, meets with teachers, interviews family and friends. They collect and build what they want to become. And that is why they are a treasure to us. I have been privileged to be able to say that I lived overseas for part of my life. Due to my parents, they were able to get me over. And I strive to become a scholar, whether that be in academia or how hard I try or what spirit and mana I can show. Because a scholar is this nation's treasure. Kia ora.